क्या आप ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बोर्ड हो? क्या आपने आपके नेटफ्लिक्स होम पेज के सारे शोज देख लिए हैं? क्या यही रीज़न है कि आपने इस वीडियो पे क्लिक किया है? I'm just kidding, but this is a video that you don't even know you need. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I've been meaning to film this for a couple of months, and as usual I've done my best at procrastinating. Today I will be sharing some of my Amazon favorites with you guys. These are products that I've been using throughout quarantine. Some I've been using for really long, some are fairly new, but I still really enjoy them. My hair color is looking really fresh because I just got it toned today, and I thought this was a perfect time to film my video. And what do you think about the new setup? I'm literally just hopping from one corner to the other of my room trying to find places that I can shoot. I love this jacket, very random, but this is a jacket I recently got from the H&M guys section. I feel like at this point I need a closet for my corduroy jackets alone. I have them in all colors possible, but they're so comfy. Also, ignore my voice. I have a little bit of a cold, but it's just a cold, don't worry. Coming to today's video, the one thing that I've been doing a lot in quarantine is online shopping, whether it's clothes, shoes, makeup, skincare, home stuff. I've been shopping online constantly, and Amazon is one place I've been shopping from a lot. I think every week there have to be at least 5 things that I've ordered from Amazon, and it's insane. I've ordered Leo's toys from Amazon, I've ordered food from Amazon, I've ordered skincare, makeup. I've got everything possible from Amazon, and I think over the course of, trying new things or getting things that I really like, I feel like I've got a couple of things I can share with you. To quickly give you a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video at all. However, I am an affiliate partner with Amazon. To explain it in a simpler way, I will be leaving all of my affiliate links in the description to all of these products, and if you decide to buy any of these products through those links, I will kind of make a commission. This is the first time I'm working on something like this with Amazon, so I have no idea what the commission is, but the only thing I wanted to clarify is you will not be paying for the commission separately. For example, if you go to a store to shop and you have a salesperson helping you out, the salesperson makes a commission when you buy something from the store because they helped you buy it, and you don't pay for that salesperson's commission, the store does. Similarly, over here also, you will not be paying. Amazon will be paying for the commission, but I just wanted to clear that out. So these are affiliate links that I'm sharing with you all. You will not be paying anything extra, so don't worry about that, but I just wanted to give you the disclaimer before we start. Let's quickly get started with the video. I have a lot of things to share with you, so I've categorized them. The first category we are starting with is home stuff. The first thing that I'm sharing with you is a very important part of my morning routine. It is coffee. I love coffee. I have to have coffee when I wake up. I have coffee twice in the day. To make things easier, I got this really pretty coffee infuser. It's got like a wooden lid and it's got this steel infuser inside of it. On Amazon, it said that if you make your coffee in this, you can keep it up to 10 days. I don't really do that. I generally make it the night before and then keep it. So for my sister, she adds milk and I just pour this and add a little sugar. I don't know why. Black coffee by itself is just bitter, and sugar is not the way to go, but I just can't. I can't have it without sugar. Ideally, you would add ground coffee to this and water, and overnight it infuses your coffee, and in the morning it's ready for you. The infuser also comes with a very cute sleeve that has a handle so you can carry it. I'm not a coffee on the go type of person, so I don't really use it, but I've still kept it in case somebody in my house ever wants to carry their coffee out. I'm surprised we haven't broken this yet because glass stuff doesn't last very long in my house. The coffee infuser is for 1500. The next thing I have is a candle lighter, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's got a lock that you slide, and once it's unlocked, you can I love flame lighters. I got really intrigued by a very fancy lighter that I saw. Turned out it was very annoying to use. You had to press it and keep it for 7 seconds and then it would light up or not. Apne marzi pe tha wo. So I got this one, which is super easy to use. This one was for 161 rupees. Yay! The next thing is I got a bunch of organizers for my house and for when I have to travel. This is a set of 4 organizers from Amazon Basics. I love these. So all of these come in different sizes. As you can see, these are very big ones, and I love using these for when I have to travel. It has made my life so much easier. Also, it comes with handles, so if you have to carry it somewhere, you have to hang it behind your bathroom door. These are very convenient. They fit in so much stuff. On one of my recent trips, I used this really big bag and I fit in so much clothing in this bag alone, and all I had to do was just pick it up and put it in my suitcase. I use these kind of bags for my toiletries and all of that, and it's really simple. Every time you want to go do your night routine, you just pick this bag up, take it with you, and then everything is back intact in place. 4 of these travel organizers were for 1200. Next up, I have a travel makeup kit. This is so handy. This is what the size is. I will open it and show you. I still have all of my makeup in it from my recent trip. I'm not that great at unpacking, as you can see, but it's still got all of my makeup in it, and it holds so much stuff. These are all the separators that you can also take out if you want more space, and you can put them, or you can adjust it anywhere that you want. They have these lines so that it's very easy to adjust, and you can fit as much or as little as you want in this kit. Over here they've got a compartment for brushes, and there's a zip here. I put all my eyeshadow palettes here, and it's just so compact and easy to carry with you. The travel kit was for 800, which is very, very reasonable in my opinion, because it makes your life 10 times easier. Next up, I have drawer organizers that I needed for my wardrobe. This is a set of 4 actually. The other 2 are in my wardrobe. They are all in different sizes. The best part is when you don't need them, they have a zip at the back and you can unzip it and then it just folds and you can store it anywhere you want. This set of 4 is for 644 rupees only. While we are on the organizers topic, another one of my favorite organizers is the jewelry organizer. Just so pretty. I got this on Amazon while I was filming my jewelry organization video, and I've mentioned all of the organizers in detail over there, but I just had to give it a quick shout out here because they are just so pretty. This one I think was for 900, and I got 2 of these. I have one for all of my gold jewelry and one for all of my silver, and it looks really pretty in the drawer. The next category is all of the random things that I use. They are, I don't know, should we call it self-care? But anyway, the first one from it is what the need of the hour is, which is masks, and these are disposable masks. These come in a pack of 25 and they are for 300. On a daily basis, I have these masks that I wear. These are all fabric ones, and I wash them on a regular basis. But just in case on days that I don't have those masks or they're all dirty and I've got my makeup on them, I use these. Like I mentioned earlier that I love coffee and I drink a lot of it, but one of the cons of having coffee or tea is that it leaves a yellow stain on your teeth, which I don't want. And I came across this charcoal teeth whitening powder on Amazon, and I was like, ghar pe hi baithe hain, let's give it a try. I saw results instantly. I'm not even kidding. I made all of my sisters also try it with me, and it's very simple to use. You just have to put a wet brush, go over your teeth once, let the powder sit for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then rinse it out. It also has a very nice minty flavor to it, and I was amazed by it. So I thought it was worth mentioning in this video in case any of you want to try it out. It says that it's vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free. If you want to try it, you can. This is for 350. The next random thing that I've tried is this. This is a scalp massager that has silicone bristles. I don't know what to call this. It's got this handle so that you can catch it like this and then go over your hair. Don't do it on dry hair. So I mainly use this when I'm washing my hair and I have to apply conditioner. I just put my conditioner on this and then I go over my hair so that my hair is conditioned well. As you can see, I have a very light color, so my hair tends to get very dry, and I wanted to put that love and care into my hair. That rhymed. Anyway, whatever. Not gonna lie, this is still a very new product for me. I forget to use it a lot of the time, but it's not like my absolute favorite, but it's nice. I'm just doing everything I can to keep all of my hair on my head. This was for 350, but I just was very curious to see how it would work, so I bought it. Next up is my Go Corona Go friend, which is the facial steamer. Steam low, इतना सुना है ना मैंने, I mean during this time, and मेरी mom भी इसी के पीछे पड़ी है full time, गर्म पानी पियो, steam low. I agree. The upside is that your skin really glows, okay? So every time I take a steam, my skin looks really good after that. It has a couple of settings I didn't know when I bought it, but it has a humidifier, it has a facial steamer which I use, and it has a warm towel feature, like a hot towel. This was for 2000. The next thing I have is the webcam cover. I don't know if you guys have come across it. This is what I'm talking about. This is basically a slider thing. It covers your webcam on your laptop. If any of you have watched Social Dilemma, but that documentary put a lot of weird ideas into my head. It came in a set of 3 and I think it was for 200 rupees. I put one on Khushi's laptop. I'm like, in case you want to sleep during online classes, which is all she does. And it's an easy way, like you can just good night, and then when you have to give your attendance, ooh, present. I'm a good sister. Next up, I have phone covers. How adorable are these covers? Please admit that these colors are really cute. Like look, I got this baby blue, I got this really pretty sage type color. Sage is currently my favorite color. I have 3 of these. I have another one in baby pink, which is so cute. Gave that to my mom, and these are for 500 each, I think. I've used it for over 3 months maybe, and I've put sanitizer almost every day. It is still in the same condition that I bought it. The last thing for this video is this laptop table. This is like an acrylic clear laptop table. I'm not kidding. It is so clear. I have bumped into it so many times. Forget me, Leo has bumped into it. I'm always on a phone call just walking around my room, and I always bump into this because it's so transparent on the floor. You cannot see it. So I'm gonna find something to keep on top of this table, but this has been so helpful when I'm editing my videos. I actually saw this on Ashna Shroff's Instagram, and I got this for my mom because she's also been working from home and she wanted a laptop table. But then after some days I started noticing that my mom wasn't using it, and I'm like, if you're not using it, can I have it? Because it's slightly expensive. This table was for 3000. This really helps. I spend a lot of time on my laptop editing or just doing something or the other, so it's very easy for me to sit back and then, you know, have this table to edit my videos. Another thing that I bought from Amazon, which I don't want to show you because it's really expensive and you can find cheaper versions for it, but I wanted to mention that I got these LED strip lights for behind my TV to create an ambience when I'm watching TV at night, watching movies, and it looks really pretty. The best part is that it gets connected to the Wi-Fi, so I can use it from my phone, turn it off, on, change the colors to whatever I want. I think you can find cheaper versions on Amazon. I just wanted to let you know that that is another thing you can get, and that's it. So I hope this video has been useful for you and you've enjoyed. If you decide to buy anything, please use my links. They will be in the description. And I've been enjoying December. I've been posting a lot of videos. If you've not watched any of my previous videos or you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I would love it if you subscribe and join this family. And let me know in the comments what products you found really weird or interesting, or you did not know about earlier and you now know because of this video. The shout outs for today go to Shikha Pandey and Samara Nizar. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys, and honestly I cannot thank you guys enough for all the lovely comments you all leave on my videos. I mean, I genuinely sometimes don't believe that I have this sweet community of people like you. So yeah, thank you. I will see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.